Hey, I am Ron from Whizhawk and today I am going to show you how you can become a pro hacker in no time. It's not hard at all, it just takes a little patience and determination. If you are looking for a career in cybersecurity, this is the video for you. If you are more of a hobbyist and want to learn how to hack things for fun, then keep on watching.
This video is only for educational purposes. Do hacking at your own risk. Welcome to our channel Whizhawk. Let's start.
The steps that need to be taken to become a hacker are not easy. This video will give you a few of the most important steps essentials to be a hacker. The video will focus on skills and attitude that is required to become a hacker, breaking the security system. And entering into the system is not the only thing a hacker does. A relentless attitude and pristine skill sets are two cornerstones for being a master hacker. Knowledge of wide variety of computer science topics is required. However, knowing things at great depth is the key to a hacker success. Therefore, having a positive attitude toward learning is essential in the journey of learning to become a hacker. Here I will give you some step-by-step guide to become a pro hacker in real world. Step number 1. Read the hacking manifesto. It is not an easy task to be a hacker. As an hacker, you need to have an attitude and curiosity. Reading the hacking manifesto can teach you the attitude of a hacker. The hacker attitude is more about developing competency in the languages rather than having a stereotypically attitude. Though a lot of people consider that a hacker is a criminal, however, in real life, they are hired by big companies for protecting information and minimizing potential damage. The act of hacking actually is that of being an over curious and outwitting authority as a hacker. You should be hell-bent on breaching authorities' rules, secrecy, and censorship. Deception is another arsenal which will allow you to dodge the vigilant eyes of authority. The act of stealing something or doing harm to someone is not hacking. Such people are commonly called crackers in the community. Crackers are involved in illegal activities and I will not recommend it you to get involved in such activities. Learn to program. Step number 2. Learn to program in C. C programming is one of the most powerful languages in computer programming. It is necessary to really master this language. This programming language was invented by Dennis Ritchie in between the years 1969 and 1973 at AT&T Bell's lab. Programming will essentially help you divide the task in smaller pieces, and these pieces can be expressed by a sequence of commands. Try writing some program on your own by assessing the logic. There are hundreds of free C programming PDF and tutorials available on web to learn. However, I would recommend you to start with a simple, well-written C programming book of your choice. Then read this book, C Programming Language, by Brian W. Kernion and Dennis M. Ritchie, to understand the real power of C language. This book is not an easy read. However, it must read the book to get in-depth understanding for C programming. Step number 2. Learn more than one programming language. When you are trying to become a hacker, it is very important to learn other modern computer programming languages such as Java, Perl, PHP, and Python. One of the best way to learn these is by reading books from experts. It is also help to know about markup languages like XML, HTML, and data formats such as JSON, Protobuf, and others, which are common way to transfer data between client and servers. Java is one of the most popular programming language. It has been claimed that is also very secure. Perl is generally purpose dynamic programming language which is a high level and can be interrupted. HTML is a markup language based on which web pages are designed, created, and displayed. Python is the best language for web development and favorite language of a lot of programmers due to its simplicity and quick turnaround. A lot of people use Python to do a simple and complex automation. Step number 3. Learn Unix. Unix is a multitasking and multi-user computer operating system that is designed to provide good security to the system. This operating system was developed by some employees of Bell Labs. The best way to learn it is to get into an open source versions and install run the same on your own. You can operate internet without learning Unix, but it is not possible for you to be an internet hacker without understanding Unix. If you have not used Unix operating system yet, a few essential Linux commands will make you comfortable in getting quickly started. The next thing you need to know is the internals of these operating systems. I recommended the design of the Unix operating system by Morris J. Batch for getting in-depth understanding of Unix operating system. A large number of web servers are hosted on Unix based on servers, and knowing internals of these operating system is going to be really a big boost in your skills. Step number 5. Learn more than one operating system. There are many other operating systems about from Unix. Windows operating system is one of the most commonly compromised systems. Hence, it is a good to learn hacking Microsoft systems, which are closed source systems. One of the recent vulnerabilities of a popular OS was the Java Web Start application get launched automatically even if the Java plugins are disabled. How to be a hacker is about knowing the weakness of these operating systems and targeting them systematically. Learn networking concepts. Step 6. The networking concept needs to be a sharp when you want to be a hacker. Understanding how the networks are created is important. However, you need to know the difference between different types of network. Having a clear understanding of TCP, IP, and UDP protocol is must to be able to exploit the vulnerabilities to be the World Wide Web. Understand what is subnet, LAN, WAN, and VPN. I recommended computer networking, a book by a top-down approach by James F. Gross and Kathy W. Ross. The networking commands to do an HTTP request need to be on your fingertips. The HTTP protocol is a gateway through which one enters in the internet world. Hence, it is necessary to learn this protocol in order to break the barriers. The hacker often use the HTTP gateway to breach the security of the system and take control over it. NMAP is a powerful network scanning tool that is used by hackers and security professionals across the world to identify vulnerable hosts. However, to effectively start using it, you must understand the networking basics. To get advanced skills on NMAP, you can refer the book by creators NMAP Networking Scanning, the official NMAP project guide. Step 7. Start simple. Read some tutorials about hacking. This is a simple and the best way to start. Read as many tutorials as possible that are meant for hacking. This video will give you insights and help you develop the attitude to be a hacker. Some tutorials will initiate you with NMAP, Superscan, and some of the hacking programs or tools that hackers generally use. These tutorials are readily available over the network for you. Step 8. Learn cryptography. As an expert hacker, you need to understand and master the art of cryptography. The technology of cryptography and encryption is very important for internet and networking. It is practice and study of techniques that are used for secure communication in the presence of third parties. The encryption is done for various aspects of information security such as confidentiality of the data, the integrity of the data, and authentications. Cryptography is heavily used in SSL based internet communication. An expert hacker should be able to understand how SSL work, what is the importance of cryptography in keeping SSL secure. Step number 9, experiment a lot. There is important step for setting yourself as an expert hacker. Step, set up a laboratory on your own to experiment and learn the practical applications. The simplest lab will have your computer. However, once you advance, you may not to add more and more computer and require hardware for your experiment. Some of the things you may need to keep in mind when doing experiments: keep a backup. First point, keep a backup before any experiment. Step 2, start small and have checkpoints. Step 3, know when to stop. Step 4, document your process. Step 5, keep improvising. Step 6, automate repetitive tasks. So we can move in last step to become a pro hacker. Participate in hacking challenges. Step number 10. Regular participant in hacking challenges can help you learn more and sharpen your knowledge. There are several companies that organize these challenges in order to check the vulnerabilities of their software products. Some companies that used widely programs like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Tesla. Apart from that, there are some websites listed that regularly offer hacking challenges online, like hackinglab.com, try to hack me, and hackerone.com, bugcrowd.com. These are some websites that you can find bug and earn money from companies, big companies. So here are I will give you 10 steps to become a pro hacker that can teach you how to be a hacker and help you walk the road of being an expert hacker. However, you should be a responsible citizen and be selective, ensuring you don't use these skills to breach the security of important institutions, as it may land you in dire straits. You should always remember, for every hacking tool there is always a counter hacking tool. Therefore, be a smart hacker and importantly be a responsible hacker. So this is all for today. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy, make sure please subscribe for more information and follow me on Instagram and Twitter for daily updates. Link in bio. Bye and take care. Love you.